everyone, this is Ganga here back with another video. So today in this video, I'm going to unbox few products that I've got from MAC Cosmetics. So during New Year sale, I purchased a few MAC Cosmetics products from Nykaa. So I wanted few products from MAC Cosmetics. There are few products I'm going to try for the first time. So let me show you the products, okay? So I've already unboxed. This is from Nykaa Luxury Store. So inside, oh, this came with a certificate like this. It is mentioned it is 100% authentic and genuine products. Those that mean MAC Cosmetics are genuine from Nykaa. So the first product is the most famous Studio Fix powder foundation. I've already used these products many times, but recently my shade got changed. Okay, so I purchased the new shade, that is NC25. So I'm going to make another video, guys, where I will try all the products that I purchased from MAC Cosmetics, and I will show you to people so that you can decide what to buy. So this is the first product that I purchased. The second, I've been eyeing on this product from so long, that is the MAC Cosmetics Store Cream. So this is in the shade Pink Light. I have got that mini version, okay? So always best to, buy mini version because they cost less and you can finish the products earlier before it get expired, right? So I always, these days, I always prefer to buy mini. So this is their mini, and let me show you the size. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, it's very travel friendly. You can put it in your small pouch whenever you go. So I have been using L'Oreal liquid illuminator. I love that. So but this one, all celebrities and beauty influencers used to talk so much about the stroke cream. That's the reason I purchased. So I'll be showing you. Okay, so next product that I purchased is this one. This is Meher lipstick. Okay, I've got this in the mini again. So Meher, I never tried before. I've seen many people talking about it. So that's the reason I purchased. So look how cute it is. In fact, this is Meher. Yeah, so nice, right? This is like a nice pink tone. It's very nice. It's cute. Because it's always best to buy again mini, because we have so many lipsticks and we don't get time to use all that, right? So if it's mini, we can finish it off earlier. So main products that I purchased is this three, okay? So this is the three products that I purchased. When I purchased this, I got some freebies. So this is the one I got it. This is the Prep and Prime Base Illuminator. It is like primer. So I got it in the mini. So this is in the shade pink, radiant pink. So this is the free product I got, and another free which I wanted to buy, but as I saw in the card, it is getting added in the free. So I have just got it. This is the Prep and Prime fixing spray. Okay, it's a very small thing. Very small. It's like a perfume. When you go go to the store, they give you like for trial. It looks like that. So if I like this, I will purchase a bigger one. So it's very good, right? So another thing I got for free is the Studio Fix liquid foundation. I was in a confusion which shade to buy, because my shade keep changing, but recently I'm in the NC25, so I don't know which shade I should pick it up from liquid foundation, because it's a really expensive product. You cannot take risks. So but I got a freebie. They have made it very easy, because see, I have three different shades. See, I have NC37, NC40 and NC42. So MAC Cosmetics is like one of the most loved brand by all makeup lovers. So, it's always best to buy from offline. That is, go to the store directly and pick up your MAC products for the first time if you're a beginner. So later, when you know your shades and all, you can purchase online. So that's how first time when I wanted to buy, this Studio Fix foundation, I went to the store. I got to know the shade, then I purchased it from the offline, because offline, like Nykaa, they run sale in MAC Cosmetics. So first time go to the store directly, and I'm so excited because just see this now. This is a simple makeup look I just created within 5 to 10 minutes, and using the products that I purchased from MAC Cosmetics. So if you want to know how this product worked for me, so you can watch the video that be coming back to back, and subscribe to my channel, stay connected, because I do a lot of unboxing videos. I do a lot of review videos for you people using my own money. So every week I'm uploading a new video. So stay connected, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.